Hello and welcome to our video today on coordinates. Our learning objective is to be able to use coordinates, both positive and negative, to specify the position of points. So let's have a look at a grid to start with. If you notice here, we've got an x-axis which goes along the bottom and a y-axis that goes up and down. And we've got the origin, which is 0, going up to 5 and then going down to -5, the same with the x-axis as well. And when we're reading coordinates, we always go along the corridor, that is the x-axis. So here we're going -6 to 6 along the x-axis and up and down the stairs. So we always read our coordinate along the horizontal coordinate before the vertical coordinate. So in this case, when we're looking at point A, we read along here on the x-axis, it's 1, and we go up to the y, which is 3. So our coordinate for point A is 1, 3. Notice it's in brackets with a comma between the two. Our point for B, again, we're going along the x-axis first, so that'd be 5, and up the stairs to the y-axis, which will be 3, so it's 5, 3. And point C, we're looking at a negative number here on the x-axis, -5, and we're looking at -4 on the y-axis. And if we go on a little bit further, let's have a look at a question that you could get. We've got here a grid and we've got two sides of a square, and it says what is the missing coordinate of this square. So we've already got -3, 2, we've got 1, 4, and we've got -1, 2 here, and we've got to find the other corner of this square. Well, one thing we can do is compare the 2 points here, because it'll be the same distance along here, which is 4 along from this corner and 2 up. So we do exactly the same here, go 4 along and 2 up, and we find our point just here. If we join our sides up here, that would make the square. So we're looking at the relationship between the points, and we find if we go along 4 here, we get 3 on the x-axis and we've got 0 on the y-axis. So our missing coordinate is 3, 0. I hope that's helped you with coordinates and finding coordinates and writing coordinates from a grid. Thank you for watching this video.